Toonie! Hey kids! Let's learn Portuguese with Toonie! And today, transportation! Car,
carro,
airplane,
avião,
ship,
navio,
train,
trem,
ambulance,
ambulância,
truck,
caminhão,
tractor,
trator,
helicopter,
helicóptero,
bicycle,
bicicleta,
bus,
ônibus,
fire truck,
caminhão de bombeiros,
motorcycle,
moto.
Great job, kids! Now, let's say them together. Starting with English. Car, airplane, ship, train, ambulance, truck, tractor, helicopter, bicycle, bus, fire truck, motorcycle! Amazing! Now in Portuguese. Are you ready?
Carro, avião, navio, trem, ambulância, caminhão, trator, helicóptero, bicicleta, ônibus, caminhão de bombeiros, moto. Que demais!
Great job! Toonie!